Not ready for that, Daddy. Girl, what are you doing? Okay, show me the eggs you worked on already.
These ones.
Let me see. Okay, what's your favorite one?
The glitter one.
Let me see it. Pick it up. Ooh. Champion? Let me see it. What are you working with? Show me a few you've done.
I like this one.
The yellow?
The half yellow, half.
Half yellow. Matching JoJo's clothes.
And this one. And I like this one. And wait, this one.
Wait, let me see that one. Oh, yeah. Are those hard to do?
And this one.
Look at your hands. I like your hands. Those might be my favorite.
And is this it? This one.
That's great. Coming down to you, JoJo. How's it going? I'll see all business down here, girl.
I try to draw a heart, but it's super hard drawing with them.
Yep. Looks super good, though. Love those colors.
And then
Ooh, that's my favorite.
And then there's
that?
light green.
Green, blue.
And then I'm making a yellow one. Right here.
The mastermind of Jeremiah here. What's happening, Jeremiah?
Put it in the middle.
Several. Oh, those are all yours, Jeremiah?
This one's also mine.
So are we hiding these or no? Or are they just for looks?
We can hide them.
We can hide them. We do that normally.
Look at this one.
No!
I'm trying to find one of the
That's for all my people who are like, why don't you do the older kids on video? That's what I get. Stop that. Okay, we're not doing Hope, though. We're going low, Hope. Don't worry. You want to see baby Annabelle? Poor little girl.
I just put their purple.
Jojo, we'll just hand over this purple.
Yeah, but that purple.
Take the baby. All right, I have to set the camera down. All right, guys. Excited for this. So, you love Easter?
Yeah.
Let me ask.
Hi,
What are we celebrating on Easter? Let's see if you know. What is Easter a celebration of?
I know. When God rose from the dead.
Let's go, Gigi Bear! Oh, I just knocked that out of your hand. Oh, that's so sad. I knocked that out of his
No,
hand.
don't do that one.
It's gone.
Yeah. No, that one. Inside trash.
It's okay. It's okay. Thanks. Sorry, Jeremiah. Got too excited about the resurrection.
That was fine. So it got out. Try it.